Morning guys, 675 MV here. Going on a little breakfast run this morning. Bit late, bit wet. I have to throw the bike in rain mode and fuck off. Switching the bike to rain mode. It's normal mode, rain mode. Making sure the camera is this time pointed into the right direction. Road is freaking wet. Just come back from a fishing trip. Got a total of 1 fish. Awesome, I know. It's a major shitload of fish that I've caught, yeah. Had a freaking storm of note last night. -1 gazebo. Wet, slept, cold. Well, it wasn't, luckily it wasn't that cold. Hopefully there's roads. The road on the highway looks so crappy. I'll warm up these tires a bit. Got petrol, got my wallet, got my cell phone. Okay. So yeah, I caught 1 fish. Freaking thing didn't even go. For people that fish, you know, your policemen, or I normally use beepers, but I didn't have batteries. Very, very poorly planned fishing trip from my side. My policeman didn't even jump. I was actually just putting my lines back to rebait after supper, and yeah, there was a fish on the line. It wasn't that big. I will add the fish on my YouTube channel, I think. I'm not too sure. I'll have to see. Got so 1 fish. A total of 1 lousy fish. Nice taste. Bronco Sprite. Very fuck. Sorry guys, riding over one of my visor, yeah. Forgot to put the anti-fog in. I was planning to be a bit more earlier at the house. Bad planning this trip. Meet up in the whole thing, but yeah, in any case, it's got a lot of seaweed. Well, not seaweed, but you know that grass weed that you get at dams. So I think if I went for a different, mine was a carp that I caught, but I think if I went for like something like catfish, barber, it would have been a better option. Problem with that, learner drivers.